Okay, so this is the basement we roughed in. The electrical wiring. As you can see, we did a really nice job. Everything's nice and tight. And we did some ductwork here. We had to put some returns in, some supplies, a lot of recessed lighting. Very nice. It's going to be the bar area. This is going to be Amber's computer room or office. That looks good. Got plugs everywhere we need them. More than needed, actually. So right now I'm working on this return here. It being in the basement, you want them low. Could have did high and low, but no sense in doing all that. And then we're going to cut a hole here and then connect this up. And then this is the bathroom over here. Little bedroom here. And then this is the bathroom. Jeff is putting in some recess cans. Fan's a little off, so I'm going to make him move that. And yeah, this looks really nice.